What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
You know, 2022 RAM TRX, a sexy truck, custom wheels, custom tires, just a fat stance of a truck. Beautiful. Anyways, only got 6,000 miles on it. So he bought a cornerstone system for it, air intake and muffler delete. So he had the air intake installed himself, and we just did the muffler delete. I will show it to you guys. Anyways, factory converter there, then true dualed into an X5, and then there's the cornerstone muffler delete that it clamps on. We always tack them to, just to be on the safe side. There and there, all the way through 3-inch. We left the resonators on it. He didn't want to take those out yet. He wants to see what it'll sound like with the resonators on. So there's the resonators, as you guys can see there. There's one more there and one more there on each side. So there's a total of 3. True dualed all the way back into massive 4.5-inch angle cut tips that come factory on this. Look at that stance. I love the stance of these. There's the muffler, the 2 mufflers that were on it, and the mid pipe that we took off and replaced with the cornerstone muffler delete system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there will be a link in the description, hopefully, for that whole system. Okay, guys? We'll show you guys the air intake too. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's a nice start up. That's with resonator still on it. 117. Again. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. A nice stance to him. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know the quality of the sound. Yes or no? I think it's that sounds so nice. So there's the cornerstone air intake system. It's huge. You can hear that whine again. So he has a complaint about it. It is too loud inside. Yeah, that is loud. RAM TRX muffler delete by Cornerstone. It's got the Cornerstone air intake. So there you go. 2022. About give us a nice drive off or take off, whatever you guys want to call it. Good looking truck. Woohoo! Beast boat. Enjoy, guys.